Welcome back to Cooking by the Book. My name is Katie, and today I'm here with Ree Drummond's Frontier Follies. Now, we know her best as the pioneer woman, and in Frontier Follies, she tells us more of stories of life and love on the farm. Today, we're trying out one of the fabulous recipes she included in with these essays, her green chili and cheddar corn muffins. Let's get started. For green chili and cheddar cornbread muffins, we will need 1 1/3 cups yellow cornmeal, 2/3 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1 cup buttermilk, 2 large eggs whisked, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 1/2 cups grated cheddar, 1 4-ounce can chopped green chilies, undrained, and 6 tablespoons of butter, melted, plus more softened butter for serving. To get started with our cornbread muffins, I've got my oven preheated to 425, and I've lined my muffin tin with paper liners. You could also use cooking spray instead. We're going to take our cornmeal and put it in a large bowl with our all-purpose flour and our salt, and mix those together with a whisk or a fork. Once we've got those well combined, in a smaller bowl or pitcher, we're going to mix our buttermilk, our eggs, and our baking soda and baking powder. We'll just whisk those together with our fork. And once those are well combined, we'll go ahead and mix our wet ingredients into our dry ones. Okay, now we can fold in our melted butter, our cheddar, and our chopped green chilies. Okay, now we're just going to evenly divide this between our 12 muffins. I like to use an ice cream scoop for this. Now they're ready to bake at 425 for 15 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. We hope you enjoyed today's green chili and cheddar muffins from Ree Drummond's Frontier Follies. Come check it out and more great finds at the library, and we'll see you next time for Cooking by the Book.